Today, we'll be taking a quick look at one of the cameras from the Hikvision Turbo HD 8.0 series. What's new is the focus on new visual and audio technology as we are entering the new era of audio-visual fusion. For now, we have one of the newer camera models that has a smart hybrid light, a pan tilt function, and a high-quality two-way audio function, and even connects over analog. We're not gonna unbox this because it's already connected to our store's display. It's easy to install. Just pop in the included plate and twist in the camera to lock into place. Its new design still looks sleek and matches the design of the rest of the Hikvision ecosystem. The camera has a 98-degree field of view, pans in 350 degrees, and tilts in 75 degrees. Its PT capabilities help cover wide-angle areas with ease. Moreover, it now excels in audio functions thanks to the echo cancellation, AI noise reduction, and automatic gain control functions. Make sure you're connected to an AccuSense-enabled DVR and is connected to your HikConnect app for that sweet two-way audio function. Also, there is a smart hybrid light built into the camera. Notice how the smart hybrid light only kicks in when it detects movement, conserving power while delivering color at critical moments. Well, that wraps up our first look at this camera from Hikvision's Turbo HD 8.0 lineup. It's an easy-to-install analog camera that brings pro-level audio and night vision upgrades to any site. More cameras are rolling from the Turbo HD 8.0 series that are coming out this year, so make sure to watch out for CCTV packages that we offer. So, is it worth buying? Absolutely! Head over to our stores physically or online on our Facebook pages today.